Good morning, everybody. This is the start of our distance learning week 4, and I wanted to start by saying that I miss all of you, and I'm very proud of all the work that we've been able to accomplish so far. I know this isn't the easiest thing, but I've been very impressed by the way that you guys have been learning and the way you've been asking questions and things like that. So keep up the great work. Starting this week, we are going to be shifting a little bit to more of review. So we aren't going to be going over anything new. We're just going to be reviewing for the materials that you need for 8th grade. And those topics include rational numbers, equations, and proportional relationships. We'll probably spend about a week on each one. The way that I'll be teaching it is through Edpuzzle and YouTube. The Edpuzzles will probably be less frequent. We'll probably just be using YouTube. That way you don't actually have to watch the video unless you need it. So for those of you that remember how to do all the topics, you can just immediately start the problems each day. The two ways that we will be going over the problems is through Edulastic and Nearpod. Edulastic will be used more for multiple choice or for response. You won't be having to show any work with that. You'll be able to use a calculator on all of them. If I ever choose to use Nearpod, you'll probably be asked to show all your work, every single step, and calculators will be used less frequently. So I would need to show step-by-step work, or I would need to see step-by-step work. Another thing that I want to touch on is our grades. There's still time to improve your grade, and the easiest way to improve that grade is through test corrections, missing work, and through weekly participation. Just by doing the assignments that I assign each week, your grade will be going up a minimum of 1% per week. So since there's 5 weeks left, if you needed a 5% improvement, the only thing you would need to do is do your work for each week, and your grade will go up to the next letter grade. If you have any questions on those things, the instructions for test corrections and the missing work is in Google Classroom. And the last thing is your office hours, or my office hours, are daily from 2 to 3. The one positive of the distance learning is I now have much more time to work with each of you in a smaller setting. So if you ever have a topic that you're struggling with, even one that I haven't assigned yet, let's say if you struggled with circles and you want to get a lesson on it, I could do that any day during office hours, and you could treat it like a tutoring session. So that is all. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. And once again, I miss everybody, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all next year.